taking off. You missed them taking off. There's more. There's more coming, and there's a moon right there too. That's picture perfect. If you haven't seen anything picture perfect. Whoa. Get him on the shadow. Wow, that was beautiful. That is perfect. Yes. Oh, hear them all? Look at that. Like, really. Like it. Hope you like it too. You know. Yeah. You know. Yeah, check it out. Look at that. Right. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that picture perfect? Nature at its finest. Yeah, you know. Yeah. It's about that time. You know. Yeah, today was a good day. I'll admit today was a good day, you know. It's been good today, you know. Everything about today has been just unbelievable, you know. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, yes. Let's check it out. Check it out. Like, look. Like, over and may not be good for you, but it's good enough for me. And that's unbelievably good. And more coming. I can see them from a distance. Just keep on coming, and they're going and coming. But, you know, we got the mothership. I see. All right. Make it roll. Keep it going. And you trying to bounce it? Well, just throwing it. All right. We're going to watch the ripples. Ooh, and there we go. Wow, that's good. Good job, good job. Whoa, watch yourself. But really, that was just right. And we got more coming, better, you know. We have to, because we have to. So, you know, check it out, like it. Click it, subscribe it. No matter what you have to do, but whatever, you know, whatever you do, just appreciate it for what it is. Just handshaking and appreciating some in our hood, you know. Just loving it. All right.